Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I have 2015 Nissan Pathfinder SL. I'm going to change the headlights on the passenger side and also the marker light, which is called running light as well, on the passenger side. I can see they're both dead on the right side, and the left side is working fine with the lights. So the part number for the headlight is H11. I got it from Advanced Auto Silver Star Ultra, and the Silver Star for marker light number 168. Let's do it. First thing we want to do is pop the hood, basically, right? Here we go. All right. As you can see, I have to use my iPhone 10 to show you this thing, where the headlight is. So basically, as you can see, there's a wire harness right there. So you twist that counterclockwise, okay? And that's how you pop it open. Like to remove it, and you switch the light bulb for the headlights. So you twist that counterclockwise, okay? And that's how you pop it open. Like to remove it, and you switch the light bulb for the headlights. Okay. All right, as you can see, this is where the headlight is, bulb, with a white harness on it. And what you do is just there's a with a clip, just got the clips, and you just pull it out just like that. So you clip there, pull it out, and replace to a new one. Okay, this is old. Okay, let's replace the new one. Oh, come on. I need a scissors for this too. Yeah, this would be easy if I don't have to make a video. There you go. Put that out. Here for now. Okay. And then you snap this back on. You can see it. Just put it like that, and snap on. And then you just put it in the groove and twist it clockwise back to put it back in. And then you twist to the right. Go, perfect. All right. Sorry, it's very hard to show you all this, but you just put it into the groove, and you twist to the right. All right, or clockwise. And that's all you need to do. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. That is it. I'm not able to show you the mark indicator lights switching. It's very there's no room at all to show you, but it's right under the what's it called, the high beam lights. So it's the same way. There's a small light bulb there, okay, right under it. And thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and hopefully that helped you out a little bit. Any questions, give me comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care.